Hey folks, Shub here, and let's talk about winning with money. You're just starting out, and that's great. The decisions you make now have a huge impact on your future. We're going to dive deep into practical tips, the kind that helped thousands of people escape debt and build wealth. This isn't about fancy Wall Street jargon, it's about common sense, discipline, and taking control of your financial destiny. Let's talk debt, specifically the plastic kind and those student loans. The best way to financial success is to not have debt. Credit cards? They're not evil, but they can sure feel like it when you're drowning in interest payments. Consider using cash, debit cards, or prepaid debit cards instead. Student loans can be a necessary evil, but let's make sure they don't become a lifelong burden. Explore every avenue for scholarships, grants, and work-study programs. Borrow only what you need and have a plan to pay it back quickly. Being debt-free gives you freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind. A budget isn't about deprivation, it's about being intentional with your money. Tell your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Establish a budget, stick to it, and pay yourself first. Track your expenses for a month. You might be surprised where your money is going. You might think you're too young to worry about saving, but trust me, it's never too early to start. Even if you can only spare a small amount each month, it will add up over time. Start building an emergency fund. While most young adults don't have the same emergencies as older adults, starting an emergency fund now gives you a sense of security. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate account. Once your emergency fund is established, you can start thinking about investing for the future. Let's talk about wants versus needs. Needs are essentials, like food, shelter, and transportation. Wants can be tempting. Indulge occasionally, but don't derail your finances. Ask yourself, do I need this or just want it? Understanding needs versus wants helps manage money better. Getting a job early isn't just about earning extra cash. It's about gaining valuable life experience. It teaches responsibility, work ethic, and time management. Starting early lets you explore career paths and avoid common money mistakes. Even a part-time job can teach valuable lessons. Remember, your financial journey is unique. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. But the principles we've discussed, avoiding debt, budgeting wisely, saving diligently, and making conscious spending choices, provide a solid foundation for a secure future. It's about making informed decisions that align with your values and goals. It's about having the courage to say no to instant gratification and yes to long-term prosperity. Remember, these are general guidelines, and everyone's situation is unique. It's always a good idea to seek personalized advice from a financial advisor. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.